Hey Creatorpreneurs, welcome to another video for the Creatorpreneurs Academy, where we teach you how to get more traffic, more clicks, and more sales using Laughingbird software. Today, I wanted to make this quick video and show you how to target your customers so that they feel more comfortable with you, which will make doing business with them easier. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is fire up Facebook. Now, Facebook makes it easy to find a target market. Let's say I'm selling dog collars and I need to find a better niche target market. So what I'm going to do is type in dog owners and see what comes up. Dog owners, and you'll see things are starting to populate up here. So dog owners, and I'm going to hit return, and I have new puppies. Okay, so now I know I can maybe market my product to new puppies, people that have new puppies, or trainers, dog trainers. And here's I love my dog. Let's click that, see what we got here. Okay, so here's a group of people that obviously post their dogs. And let's assume that you're going to want to get to know these people, but not to market to them necessarily, but more to become friends with them. So what you'd want to do is probably join this group, interact with these people, right? Maybe even open up the graphics creator, and I'm going to use the ad creator templates for now. And I'm going to find an ad that I want to use. Okay, here, even this one right here. Now, I guarantee that people are not going to let you advertise in this group. That's not the purpose of this video. Instead, what you want to do is, let's remove her for now. I'm going to come up here to photos and videos, and I'm going to type in dog. Okay, so it comes up. All right, there you go. I'm going to bring this guy over here. I'm going to make it fit the canvas and send it to the back. And instead of sale on Friday, I'm going to remove all this marketing messaging. And now I'm simply going to type in, right, what kind of dog do you have? I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to export this. And it downloads to my downloads folder. Here it is. And now there's my ad, and I can post it in the group when I join as one of these. These dog owners will start to comment underneath, and you can ask them questions like what kind of collars they like, or do they have puppies, or that kind of thing. And eventually you'll get an idea of what dog owners like. Okay, let's try one more. Let's say you're a small business and you want to market to other small business owners, but you really don't know what they like or what they use or how they operate. So come up to Facebook and start typing in small business owners. Okay, there's a small business owners network. But let's go further and let's type return to see what we get. Small Business Owners United. So there's a whole bunch of groups you can join, and you get to know who the small business owners are and what they want. Do they want online tools? Do they want software? Do they need graphics? That kind of thing. So you can click on one of these. And here, now I see some graphics on a couple of these. So these are inspirational quotes. So if you want to make an inspirational quote, that's easy. Hop over to Google and type in inspirational quotes. And just get a couple of them. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. I like that one. And the quote was, push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. So let's find any of these ads. All right, this looks like a good one, so I'm going to click on it. Let's recreate that quote. Okay, now we can fit all the text in here. I'm going to highlight this word nobody, and I'm going to come over here to text styles, and I'm going to choose the bold button. That's going to bold that up a little bit. Return to text menu, and then I'm going to go to text format. And let's make the lines a little bit easier to read and the text spacing a little bit better. We can make the canvas bigger. And then this image is nice, but maybe we want to have somebody pushing themselves. So let's remove that, and we'll see what we have up here in the photos and videos. Photos, and we'll type running, I guess. Try that. All right, this actually looks pretty good because she's got space for the text. Bring it over here, and I actually don't like this background here, so I'm going to remove it, and I can even remove this, probably even turn that into a cursive handwriting font. There we go. Okay, and let's try and turn the text a little bit like that. And I don't like this font either, so I'll come up here to text format again, and I'm going to pick a better font here, like, there you go, that works. And I can even match the text color by going to the text color button, clicking this little eyedropper tool, and picking up some of the color on her. Now we can take this graphic and, like we did before, download it to our desktop or our downloads folder, and here it is. And now I can take this and post it into my new group that I've just joined and start making friends with all these small business owners and network with them. You've got your foot in the door with these beautiful graphics that you can create with the Graphics Creator by Laughingbird Software. Okay, that wraps up our Creatorpreneurs Academy video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.